What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today's video, I want to talk to you guys about stock scanners, stock screeners, stocks to trade, trade ideas, why you don't need stock scanners if you're a newer trader. And I'm going to show you guys all kinds of great useful websites that are absolutely free. I'm really excited to make this video for you guys. We're going to go over a lot of great content in this video. So get a pen and paper or get your iPhone or your iPad. Get the notes ready and get prepared to write down everything that I'm about to cover in this video. Let's get into it. As a newer trader in the stock market, I get it. It can be very, very overwhelming, wondering what stocks to trade, what are the hot stocks every single day. Is there a secret scanner out there that only professional traders know about? Stocks that only hit those scanners. And you'll see multiple trading gurus, furus that are out there always trying to push these scanners onto you guys to buy these scanners. Stocks to trade, trade ideas. There's all kinds of stock scanners out there that these traders want you to buy. And if you look into their bio, mostly all of them are going to have a referral link to direct you right to the scanner that they're using to buy it. And when you buy the scanner right off from the guru's referral, they're all getting a kickback, your purchase of the scanners. Over time as a trader, you start to realize it's not about the scanners. All you're really basically trading every single day are the basic percentage gainers, what's gapping up pre-market, and the biggest stocks that have the most volume. I may get a lot of hate for this video from a lot of people out there, but hear me out in this video. This is not a bash video. I want to just show you guys what's out there and the multiple websites that you could use to your advantage, and it's all absolutely free. You don't have to pay over $200, $300 for stock scanners, news streamers, SEC filings. It's all right at your fingertips. You just have to know where it all is. Just to name off a few that you have to pay for: stocks to trade, trade ideas, equity feed, BAM SEC. Right here, what I got pulled up right now is stocks to trade. This is what stocks to trade looks like. I have at one point tried out stocks to trade way back a year ago. I tried it just for a month. You sign up with them. They say it's $180 a month right here for it. But what they fail to tell you is that there's multiple subscriptions that you have to sign up for. You have to sign up for their news feed, which is an extra $15 or $20 a month. You have to sign up for real-time data with the NASDAQ and OTC, and you have to add level 2, which is this right here. That's an extra $15, $20 a month. And if you wanted access to the SEC filings, that's an extra subscription as well. So at the end of the day, you're paying $180 just for the basic platform. By the time you add up all the subscriptions for the level 2, the real-time quotes, the news streamer, and they even have a chat room with Tim Bowen, that's like an extra $25 a month. By the time you add up all those subscriptions, you're paying almost $300 a month for stocks to trade. That is a complete ripoff. And their stock scanners and screeners are not the best. What I'm about to show you guys is about to blow you guys away. Basically, what they're using is TradingView for their charts. This is TradingView right here. It's an interactive chart. It's absolutely free. They do have subscription-based levels to TradingView, but that's just if you're into looking at multiple charts. This is TradingView right here. and this is stocks to trade right here. If you can compare the two, they look absolutely the same. Again, this is TradingView. You could look up multiple stocks if you wanted. You could add stocks to a watch list. You could go through and see what people are talking about. You can draw on the charts. And here's another page on TradingView. And like I said, it's absolutely free. They do have options to pay for it if you wanted to upgrade. To look at charts and break charts down, all you could simply use is TradingView. And they also have a built-in stock screener, forex screener, and a crypto screener. So if I click on the stock screener, you can go by performance, extended hours, trend following, and you could also add in filters if you wanted. So if you wanted to look for stocks that are above 3% on the day up, or up 3% in an hour, 4 hours, there's multiple filters out there that you could use for this website. You got to check this website out and see it for yourself. Very, very great website that I still go and use from time to time, and it's all absolutely free compared to paying over $300 or close to it for stocks to trade. And even on stocks to trade, their screener is clunky. Even when you're putting it together, I just wasn't a fan of stocks to trade. I thought the idea was great. I like how they have everything all in one spot. When I'm paying for a platform and then I have to add on newsfeed, level 2, real-time quotes, and then I get my bill and it's over $300. Come on now. And all they are just basic percentage gainers and volume gainers on stocks to trade. And if you go to a lot of these stock screener websites like Finviz, StockMill, TradingView, it's all the same thing. Next one I want to talk about is Trade Ideas. Now, I was with Trade Ideas for a long time when I was first starting out as a trader. And it's $118 a month for Trade Ideas. Now, don't get me wrong. Trade Ideas is an awesome, if not the best, stock scanner out there for stock traders. I absolutely love Trade Ideas, and I still love Trade Ideas today. Just the customization you could do with the scanners and how easy it is to build scanners with Trade Ideas, it's great. And it's cheap. $118 a month for stock screener or a stock scanner is not bad at all. And you could even go back to a specific date and see how that scanner worked and the stocks that it picked up. I'm not bashing on the stock scanners that are out there. I just want to show you guys that you don't really need them. I don't even use stock scanners no more. I use basic free screeners because over time, after using Trade Ideas for months on end, paying them $118 a month of my hard-earned money, I've come to realize basically what it is every day is basic percentage gainers, what's gapped up or gapped down pre-market, and what stocks have the most volume. That's what it is every single day in the stock market. But like I said, I'm not hating on Trade Ideas. Maybe in the future, again, I will use Trade Ideas. I loved Trade Ideas. It's, my opinion, one of the best stock scanners out there for a trader. But let's say you can't afford $118 a month for a stock scanner. Well, I'm going to show you guys all the free stuff that's out there that you could use as a trader. So first up here, we already went over TradingView, and I will leave links in this video to all these websites that I went over so you guys can go and add all these websites to either your laptop, your desktop. But I'm a big fan of TradingView. You have to have this. This website is so awesome. It has news, stock screeners, charts. You get to interact with people. You can share the charts, look at people's ideas, chart patterns, all kinds of great stuff on this website. Next one I want to talk about here is Finviz. I'm sure you guys all heard of Finviz. Everybody knows about Finviz, and Finviz is one of the top used free screeners out there for traders. They have stock screeners that you can fully customize to your liking to search for stocks. And like I said, basic percentage gainers, basic volume gainers. You really don't need a momentum scanner if you're a day trader. If you got a momentum scanner, you're looking to chase stocks. You got to look at the mental side of it. Why do all these trading gurus want you to buy their momentum scanners? So you will get the scanners, the stock will hit the scanner, you chase it, you buy it, you push the guru up in profit, and then the guru dumps all the shares on you. If it's a good, strong, healthy stock, and if it pops on the day, it's going to pop on all of the percentage gainers websites out there. Same thing with volume, same thing with 52-week high screeners. But with Finviz, select the price under $20, performance today up 5%, and the current volume. You could have it be over 1 million. And then look at all these stocks that popped up here on the screener. You can separate it by the biggest percentage change, which one has the most volume or least volume, and then you could click on it to bring up the chart and have all the information on the stock right here. Again, if you don't know about Finviz, check out Finviz. It's absolutely free. A lot of traders use Finviz, and you will love this website. Next up, I want to talk about Theliant.com. Theliant.com, let's say you're not at home at your desktop or your laptop and you're out on the go, but you want to know what are the top stocks on the day. With Theliant.com, you could easily do that. Just open up your web browser on your phone, type in Theliant.com, and instantly on the right, it'll show you the biggest percentage gainers on the day. Even the biggest percentage losers, the money gainers, and the money losers. And again, this is for if you're out and on the go and you don't have access to a desktop, but you still want to know what are the top stocks of the day. Theliant.com is my go-to website for percentage gainers. Next up is Stock Market Watch. Let's say you're in pre-market and you want to see what's gapping up and what's gapping down before the market even opens. Stock Market Watch, you go to the home page here, you scroll down, you see the top stocks today. You click on that. Normally, pre-market, they'll show you what are the top stocks gapping up here on the left and what stocks are gapping down on the right. But since I am making this video on the weekend, I had to pull up the Discord and go back to see what I posted. But it's all the same. They're going to show you all the stocks that are gapping up, gapping down, and you could just go through all these tickers real quick and see if it gets your attention, if it's something you want to watch. But if you go to this website, like I said, and click on the top stocks of the day right there, it'll bring this up and it'll break it down by exchanges. So you got the most active stocks on the New York Stock Exchange, the NASDAQ, and the American Stock Exchange. All your top percentage gainers, all your top percentage losers, and if you're interested in a stock, then just click on it. So we'll click on the Q's here, and it'll bring up a chart for you right there. Next up, I want to talk about chartmill.com. Now, this website is a little bit weird in the way it works. You sign up with this website, it's absolutely free, and what they give you are points. So they'll give you like 2,000 points. And how they make this work is if you create a stock scanner or screener on this website, it takes away points from your balance every time you do a scan on the screener. And every month it reloads you with 2,000 points. Also, if you sign up with these guys, they'll ask for your email, and every day they'll send you a chart of the day to look at. But you could look at people's shared screeners that they've created. You could analyze stocks. You could create your own stock screener, like I said, and be very thorough on what you want your stock screener to be. If you like moving average crossovers, you could do that with Chartmill. And like I said, they go by credits. So every time you do a scan, they'll subtract the credits from your portfolio. And if I look right here, I have a total of 32,000 credits. And every month, like I said, they automatically give you, I think it's like 2,000 or 5,000 credits to use for absolutely free. But every time you do something on this website, it subtracts the credits from your portfolio. So you could easily use this to find stocks, and then when all your credits are done, just go back to Finviz or something. But this is chartmill.com. It's absolutely free, like I said. You can sign up to it if you want. And that's the same thing with Finviz, TradingView. All these websites are going to have that option to sign up if you want. I just always sign up for the basic free and just use the free features that they have. Next up is a really cool one here. This is stockrow.com. Absolutely free. This is one of the hidden gems that I would say that's out there. And I found out about this through Dr. Brent Steenbarger. You got all kinds of blogs here, market news. You got screeners already created, hidden gems, Warren Buffett's screener, undervalued growers. There's all kinds, and you can see there's a whole pages and just pages of all kinds of them. But stockrow.com is more of a stock screener for people who are really into fundamental analysis. So if you're really into what companies' PE ratios and dividends are, how much they're making every quarter, every year, this is the stock screener for you. You can select the healthcare, financials, or NASDAQ. You can select the current ratio, debt to equity. There's all kinds of crazy stuff you can do on stockrow.com to filter out what stocks fit your criteria. Like I said though, this is more for fundamental traders. Another free stock screener out there that's really powerful and that doesn't get a lot of mentions out there is Twitter. If you go to Twitter, if you don't have a Twitter, create a Twitter and go through and follow all the top stock traders. Deckmar Trades, Warrior Trading, Tim Sykes, Investors Underground, Mad Ass Trader. Every single morning before the market opens, all these traders post what stocks they're watching in their watch list before the market opens. So you could use Twitter to see what other people are talking about with stocks, and people will post what stocks they're trading and what stocks they're looking at. For example, right here, Deckmar Trades posted right before the market opened, and he listed all the stocks that were on his watch list. Another example, SMB Capital, some stocks the desk is watching, and it lists all the stocks that they're watching before the market opens. Get me when I say when you're new to the stock market and you're just learning about all this, it could be overwhelming. I know, I've been there. And you can have that FOMO, like you're missing out, and you feel like you need stock scanners to find the hidden stocks that everybody's trading. Over time, you start to realize at the end of the day, all it really is, and the stocks that we are all trading are just the basic percentage gainers, stocks that ran a couple days ago, a week ago, what stocks have the most volume pushing into them, what stocks have hot news that's attracting volume. That's all it basically is. It's nothing fancy. There is no hidden stock scanner out there that's finding all these stocks for us to trade. It's the same thing every single day. But let's say you do want a stock scanner. I would highly recommend Trade Ideas. For $118 a month, you could create your own stock scanners. They're not hard to create. I have multiple videos on my page from when I used to use Trade Ideas. I have many walkthrough videos on how to create scanners. I loved Trade Ideas when I used it. Over time, like I said, I just realized every day it was the same thing over and over, playing the same stocks that were just basic percentage gainers, volume gainers, low float pump and dumps, and stocks that either gapped up or gapped down. The same thing every day. Trade Ideas is the go-to. It's the #1 stock scanner out there, I would say. I would say Trade Ideas and using Trade Ideas are more for professional traders. But there still is a way to use Trade Ideas for free. Now there's this guy on YouTube. Sometimes I'll pop them up. You can see I've watched some of them throughout the days. Sometimes I won't see stocks gapping up pre-market and I want to know what's going on in the markets before the market opens. And I'll check this guy out. And this guy will stream his stock scanners every single day. And that is precision day trading. And like I said, he'll scan and present his scanners all day throughout the market. And these are all his scanners up and running right here. So if you have a multiple monitor, go to this guy's channel, pop it up, and there you are. You have all the scanners out there for free for you guys to use. And you're welcome. But even today, there are all kinds of great trading platforms out there that have pre-built in stock screeners and scanners. For example, TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim. All you got to do is go to the scan tab here, create your scanner that you want, click scan, and it'll pop up all the stocks that come up under your criteria. For example, yesterday we had AXGT popping off. Go back to your chart and pop it up. And there you go. Another free stock scanner screener out there for you to use. And then let's say you wanted to practice trading this, but you can practice trading with stocks to trade for $300 a month. Well, if you open up a TD Ameritrade and Thinkorswim account, it's all 100% free. Tell them you want a paper trading account and you want real-time quotes. They'll be more than happy to open it all up for you for free. And then now you got a trading platform and you got a built-in stock scanner that's absolutely free. And you could paper trade if you wanted. I love Thinkorswim, and I still use Thinkorswim today. And one of the great features with Thinkorswim is it has an on-demand tab. Just like watching a movie, you can go back and see how the market played out on a specific day. So we got AXGT here that popped off yesterday. If I wanted, I could go back and play it and see how this played out real time, minute by minute, second by second. But I'm not going to get into all that. Another free trading platform that's out there, absolutely free, is Street Smart Edge by Charles Schwab. And this is the trading platform that I use every single day, that I use for my charts, I use for my screener, my news. I want to show you guys all this free stuff that's out there that you could use to your advantage as a trader, because I know it's tough when you're just starting out. You don't know all the great stuff that's out there, and I'm only scratching the surface of what's out there that you guys could use. There's so much great content that's out there that's for free. Why do you think you hear the term the Wolf of Wall Street when you hear about the stock market, the NASDAQ, and day trading. At the end of the day, this is a business, and everybody is going to do what makes them money. Just like you'll see all kinds of people out there putting out referrals to stock scanners, trading platforms, websites, DVDs, trading courses, trading strategies. This is all one big business. Everybody is a wolf in this game. And if you're new, you're the sheep. They all feed on sheep. They all want your money because you don't know any better and you don't know about all this free stuff that's out there. And like I said, Street Smart Edge by Charles Schwab has a free built-in stock screener in it with already pre-built-in scans that you could select and tweak to your liking. Screeners like change from the open, increased volume, gap up, stay up, climax, sell off, high low screeners, daily high count, daily low count, hitting highs, hitting near yearly highs, top volume screeners. If you're into options, they have screeners for options. And like I said, if you wanted to go through and tweak your screener, you could do that with Street Smart Edge. And then most of these trading platforms as well is gonna have a news scanner and screener. So anytime a company puts out news, it's gonna be right there so you can see what the company's press release is. And they even give you links and stuff to SEC filings. There are all kinds of great tools out there for you traders. So if you're new, take a breath, settle down, don't get FOMO, it's alright. There is no secret scanner out there, and this is all 100% my opinion. I've been doing this now for over 3 years, and honestly, there are advantages to stock scanners like Trade Ideas and Equity Feed, but that's not the type of trader that I am. The possibilities are endless with stock screeners and scanners. With Trade Ideas, Equity Feed, they really are pretty cool on how you can set them up, search for stocks under your criteria as a trader, but you can also do that for free with a lot of these websites that I've showed you guys in this video. And like I said, I've only scratched the surface of content that's out there that's free to you guys. I didn't show you guys even Yahoo Finance. You'll still see some traders use Yahoo Finance, but it wasn't as popular as it was back then. But even Yahoo Finance has a stock screener, and you can go through, see the pre-built-in stock screeners that they have, like for the most active, day losers, day gainers, or you could create your own screener. You know, your region is in the United States. I want to look for small caps. Price intraday greater than $2. Add another filter. You could add total shares outstanding if you want to look for lower float stocks. Percent change. Percent change is greater than 3%. Find stocks. And then there's a whole list for you to go through of all the stocks that popped up on your criteria list. And you could sort it by percentage change, volume, and then when you find a stock you like, click on it, and it'll pop up all this, all the latest news that's come out on it, break into the statistics, you could see what the float is, the shares outstanding. Yeah, with all these free screeners, you do gotta put a little bit more work into it. But at the end of the day, to me, they're all the same, just like a stock scanner. There's all kinds of great websites out there, like I've said, and covered in this video. So I hope you guys all like this video. Smash that like button. It lets me know that you guys like the content that I'm putting out. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And we are slowly approaching that 1-year anniversary. I have been making videos on YouTube. We are now 4 days away from the 1-year anniversary. Thank you all so much for being a part of the Trading Learning 101 community. And as I always say, and until next time, guys, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. All right, later, everybody.